everyone, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today to do a DT for Tracie Fox and Artzymaze. That is Andrea. They did a collaboration together on their digital art, and so this one was called the Tag Fabrication, and they both are on Etsy. So if you go to Etsy, you'll find where they're located. So please go over there and heart both of their Etsy shops, and you'll find the kits that I used in this journal that I did today. So with every journal that I make, especially the bigger ones, I include a bag. It's just a cotton bag, and I just sew it up. It's very primitive. And then I stamp some trees on it, and that's kind of my theme, obviously, because I'm the Mountain Girl Studio, so I love all kinds of things nature, so I kind of include that on the way I present my journals and my art projects. So this is the journal I made. This is a native themed journal. This is being donated to a dear friend of mine who is battling an illness right now, and I just thought it would be very thoughtful and nice to give her something that she can have throughout her process. So it's going to be a surprise. She doesn't know anything about it yet, so I'm going to deliver it to her very soon. But again, she's Native American, so I went with the Native American theme. And so this is the front, and this is just seam binding just to tie it up, and I just wrapped it around and did a wrap. And so that's how it's closed. So we'll just take that off real quick so you can see the cover better. So here's the cover. It's just the hand-painted covers that I've been doing. It's on hardcover front and back. So there's the back. All kinds of paint, chippy paint. Like I said, I get really inspired by old doors that have like 100 coats of paint on it, and then they're all chippy and you can see the layers through it. So anyways, I have the wax. It's kind of poured down here, then caustic wax. You can guys get a glimpse of it there. And then I did something different. I stamped some stamps up here with just a tree line. She really loves nature, so I thought it'd be fun just to do a little bit something different on the bottom. And I wanted a dream catcher, and I wasn't sure how I was going to go about it, but I had this, I don't know what this is. I think a gasket, I think it is. It's a metal, and I rusted it all up. And I've never made a dream catcher before, so my weaving probably isn't on point, but I did get it, I think. We made it manage, and then I just put like a teal bead and glass bead in the center. And this was an old necklace my mother-in-law gave me to use in projects, so it worked perfect. So all I did is just cut it and then wired it on, and it just worked perfect. It's like it's just stones. I couldn't believe how it turned out perfect. So that's the front of the cover. And then this is I paint most of my spine covers. So this is just a piece of canvas that I hand painted, and I did some primitive stitching on there, nothing like Abby, but just some quick stitching and some stamping and just layering. And so there's that. And then here is the jewelry, spine jewelry. So this was some kind of clip. I found like a whole bag of them. There must be 100 of them, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, but I decided to try to make it work on the top so I could add dangles to it, because it had this hole already. So it has this other piece that comes out here, and all I did is just cut them off and then grinded these down so they're not sharp anymore. And this is a bottle cap that I had rusted. And then this was an old button that my sister had given me, and so I thought that was kind of cool. And here's just a glass bead, and then her name starts with the V, and of course my keys always. I love making dangles with the keys, and I always include keys in my work. And so there's that. And then I thought of something cool for a headband for this book. And how about that, you guys? A zipper. I always thought zippers reminded me of headbands and books. So I thought of this idea a while ago, and I had shared it with another lady, and she goes, "You need to do that." And I said, okay. So I finally did it. So there's the so I just bought a zipper and cut it, and then put it on the top and the bottom as like a faux headband. So I thought that was fun and different. And then here's the back. So the back is also hand painting, and then just my name there. It's one of Tracie's labels. And then there's the wax that you can see kind of drip down there. So yeah, so let's get into this baby. So there is 4 signatures. So here's the front. And so she's not really familiar with what junk journals are. So I made hers just very simple. I didn't add a lot of ephemera to it because I want her to be able to add her family photo. Excuse me, you guys. Her family photos, and I want her to be able to journal her way through what she's going through. So, you know, my journals obviously lean more towards the naked side, I guess is what you guys call it. I don't put a lot of things. I put a lot of my effort, my artwork into the journal or the signature covers. So that's just kind of where I've been leaning with journals. I don't, you know, everybody does theirs different. That's kind of where I've been doing mine. So here's just a little collage piece, another rusty bottle cap that I rusted, and then this is like a Tim Holtz, I forgot what these are called, but anyways, so like I said, her name starts with a V, and just some material, some ticking, and some rusty paper, and this is one of the fabrication from the Take digitals. Everything you see in here is from that kit. So, and all their inspirational quotes from that kit. I love inspirational quotes or sayings. So that one says, "Nothing is impossible. Someone loves you." And again, with the native theme. And then I just made tags for her, and I'm not going to pull them out. They're just 3 simple tags from the kit. Actually, I guess we will, since they're part of the kit. We should probably show those up. I didn't do anything with them. Like I said, I wanted her to be able to do something with them. And I just did something kind of neat on the top. This was something I did a tutorial on, that and the tabs. Just something different for toppers, for tags. And then I'll just put this one in there, really nice. And so is this one. I just inked it and just did some gold trim. And this one is one of those like binder clip, like not a binder clip, a ring binder, I guess. So you could open this and add some dangles on there if you wanted to, and just put that back over. I thought that was fun to do something different with those. So there's a different kind of topper. And then this is just another one. This is just another safety pin, and I just stapled it on, pretty simple, and then used their fabrication kit. I love it. Thank you guys. You guys do amazing work together. So this is just part of their kit, some little ephemera that I added in there. So this is just like a metal button, and we're just going to go through the first signature because they all are exactly the same, so save time here. So this has the one. Like I said, I do a lot of my artwork on the covers, and I did a tutorial a while back, a few months ago, on this little tabs. This is a safety pin, or not a safety pin, a paper clip. I also do the safety pin, and I've come up with other different ways to do tabs. It's just fun. So this is family photos in here. I'm not going to pull them out just for privacy stuff. So anyways, you pull this out, and these are family photos that I included in this book. So here's the signatures. Like I said, they're just super simple. I tea stained all these pages. So these are all tea stained. I added some mixed media paper in there if she wants to journal or do some artwork in there, or plaster them, or whatever she wants to do. I just want her to be able to journal her way through her time, and just all kinds of fun stuff. Here, excuse my dog if he is barking. And then this is just a little flip out right here. And then here's the back. Hope you got to see all that. Anyways, we'll go back one. So here's the back, and there's my 5, of course. And then this is also from the kits. Here's the back of that. Like I said, it's just all tea-stained paper, copy paper, mixed media paper, letter paper, book paper. So yeah, so there's that. And then here's the second signature, which is a little bit different from the first. This one had the string wrapped around it, and then this one has a pocket. And I did some artwork and some mark making. And this is just like a little hair clip with a feather hanging down. And this, these are quotes. This one is it says warrior. I love encaustic wax, so I kind of just put it on the top of that and just emphasize the warrior. And then in the back it says, has something to do with warrior. She is a warrior. So yeah, I just did some symbols and whatnot. And then again, that's from the kit. And all the pages are the same. The signature as well. And then more from the kit. And I did a tutorial on this too if you guys want to back up a few videos. I think I'll try to get all the links down to some of the things that I'm mentioning. These are the metal backed labels that I've been doing. I think they are so fun. Tracie had a go at it and she did amazing. So you might want to check her video as well. And here's another tag in this one, and this one says strong. Again, there's the encaustic wax, and the more you buff it, the shinier it gets. And I love that about wax. This is so neat. Here's the third signature. More again from the kit, and then another picture in here, family picture. And the signature is exactly the same paper, layered in the same exact way. And this is the back, another from the kit there. And then another tag here that says brave with wax on it. It's just so fun how glossy that can get. I just love it. And then stuff about being brave on the back. And another saying from their kit. And then little snippet tab there. And again, signatures. And then the back here. And the number 8, last one. And this one says resilient. It's very cool. Love it. And then a little saying on the back of that. Just goes in there. And then here is a pocket in the back. And I just did this little collage right here. This little birdie collage. And then I made another, I had a smaller gasket. I did another dream catcher there. And so then you just open this, and all this has is extra tags that she can use in some paper. So these are more tags from the kit. I just thought I'd leave these blank. I just inked them for her. Some extra paper and pages that she can use or put pictures on or write certain things if she wants to. So those go in there. And that ties up bottom to top. So yeah, I can do that later. But here's the zipper. I just thought using the zipper was so fun as a faux headband. And just close it back up, and then there's the back, and there you go, you guys. There's the front. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my DT project for Tracie and Andrea. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.